Why do green card cases get denied? In this video, we're going to look at top 10 reasons for why green cards get denied and what could be done to avoid that. First of all, why should you apply for a green card? In our office, we prepare many green card applications, many waiver applications so you can get a green card, and applying for a green card allows you to permanently stay in the United States, allows you to travel as long as you're not abandoning your residence. You want to make sure that you don't leave for more than a year at a time. And if you're going to leave for more than 180 days, you should consult an immigration lawyer. And it also allows you to work in the United States. The process of applying for a green card is an intricate one, and USCIS may deny applications for a variety of reasons, and understanding these reasons can help you avoid common pitfalls. So let's look at the first most important reason. Are you eligible for a green card? Not everyone qualifies for a green card. Eligibility criteria includes having a family relationship or an employment relationship and other special provisions such as refugee or asylee status that could make you qualify. If an applicant does not meet the specific criteria, for instance, a family relationship, your case would be denied. So what an example of this would be is an uncle applying directly for you, not indirectly, but directly for you. There, you don't have the appropriate family relationship, so you wouldn't qualify. Or, for instance, in an employment-based situation, there's employment-based first preference, second preference, third preference, fourth preference, and fifth preference. If you don't fall within one of those categories, then you don't qualify. So it's important to make sure that you fall within an appropriate category that qualifies before taking the time and effort to apply for the green card application. Reason number 2, submitting an incomplete application. Now, this may seem obvious to you, but it's what you don't know that causes the problems. Applications that are incomplete or lack necessary documentation, such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, and proof of eligibility can be denied. An example of this is, for instance, submitting a short form birth certificate instead of submitting the required long form. The short form meaning that it doesn't have your parents' names on it, whereas the long form does in most situations. It is crucial to submit a complete application with all required supporting documents. At times, I've had clients who filed their cases on their own and received a denial or a request for evidence because they didn't fulfill the documentary requirement. Sometimes this can be remedied if it's a request for evidence situation, and sometimes it requires appealing. So you want to make sure you get it right when you apply. Issue number 3, having a criminal history. So depending upon the type of criminal issue that you have, it may make you ineligible to apply. So if you have any type of criminal issue, you should definitely consult with an immigration. Issue number 4, security and background check. The USCIS conducts rigorous security and background checks. Issues like previous visa violations, security risks, or insufficient background information could lead to a denial. Issue number 5, public charge. You might think, well, what does that mean? A green card application can be denied if the applicant is likely to become a public charge, and this refers to someone who's expected to depend primarily on the government for subsistence. The USCIS determines public charge inadmissibility by considering whether an applicant has received one or more specified public benefits and receiving public cash assistance for income maintenance. The affidavit of support is also another factor that the adjudicator will look at in making this determination if it's a family-based application. Item number 6, health-related grounds. Certain medical conditions, particularly those that pose public health risks such as tuberculosis, can lead to a denial. Applicants must pass a medical exam conducted by an approved physician to move forward with their application. Additionally, applicants are now required to receive the COVID-19 vaccine, although an I-601 waiver for this requirement are available under certain circumstances. Item number 7, previous immigration violations. Prior violations of immigration law, such as multiple illegal entries into the U.S., overstaying a visa, or working without authorization can lead to a green card denial. These infractions can result in inadmissibility, which may require a waiver or another type of legal remedy. And number 8, failure to attend appointments. This is extremely important. You cannot just blow off your appointment. You must attend your appointment unless it gets rescheduled. I don't recommend rescheduling. For instance, a marriage-based green card application, if you filed based off of marriage, both of you need to be there. If you both fail to show up, your case will most likely be denied. If only one of you show up, they'll probably reschedule or even possibly deny the case. So you want to make sure that you take this seriously. Item number 9, inadequate financial support. Applicants must demonstrate financial stability to ensure they are not going to become a public burden. This often involves a financial sponsor who can provide evidence of adequate income or assets to support the applicant through Form I-864, ensuring that they exceed the poverty guideline. Item number 10, mistakes or falsely providing information on the application. Any mistakes, inconsistencies, or false information provided in the application could lead to a denial, and it's imperative that all information is accurate and truthful. Unfortunately, I do have consultations with some people who think that it's okay to just put inaccurate information on the application, and that's an absolute no-no. Understanding the reasons behind potential green card denials can better prepare you for the rigorous process. It could be helpful for you to seek the guidance of an attorney to make sure you're doing things correctly, because although it may just seem like, oh, you're just filling out a form, it can be the things that you're not even aware of that could lead to the denial. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. By watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Thank you. Bye for now.